Okay, today is the big day. My Hyundai I30N is getting a fresh set of ultra performance tires. But not just any tires. These tires are the Raider Dimax R8 Plus. They claim to offer sporty handling, excellent grip, and a smooth ride. Are they worth it? Let's find out.
Spread your love. And hear what I'm saying now. Spread your love. And hear what I'm saying now. Spread your love.
Okay, so as you guys can see, the car is up on the ramp, getting the new tires now.
Spread your love. And hear what I'm saying now.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the HiQ Helderberg Strand. And I'm the representative of the Radar brand, Radar South Africa. The Radar brand may be an imported brand. However, our brand rivals in terms of technology, durability, as well as affordability. Our brand stands in the imported premium market head and shoulders above the rest. So as far as its performance, durability, road handling in wet and dry conditions, Radar Renegade has gone through several tests and has outperformed many of its competitors in the premium sector. I do a lot of driving and I have R8 Pluses for my car, and as a company representative I travel long distances and some distances at speed. As far as durability is concerned in wet and dry conditions, there's few match our ability to withstand any adverse conditions. The current price of the 235/35/19 at HiQ Helderberg and the Tire Zone Group is 1,999 Rand per tire, including fitment, balancing. The Radar brand is available nationally. The product has been around in South Africa for 12 years now. All national tire fitment centers keep Radar as a brand.
is the guy that installed the tires, guys. Do you want to say something?
Hayi, siyabonga mana khona ndifuna ukuyithetha ndithenga uSimani ngomkhulu wami ngokufika apha kwa-Hiq siyabulela ngobukho bakho sithe nkosi kakhulu futhi nangomso.
All right.
Ik had nou die I30N. Ik heb de alignment gaan doen achter en ik ga just met die touwing. Canvas was recht achter geweest. En toen ga ik voor en toe. Dit steering wheel was off angle. Toen maken ze gewoon recht bij die touwing. En ik good to go. Ik heb bij IQ strand. Stik uit mijn bro.
Thank you. I'm gonna test the tires a bit to see if they've got some grip. I'm going N standard and traction control off. Let's see if they have some grip, some grip. And I'm just joking. Traction control is not off. It's only a small part of it. This is where we'll see the stopping power. Okay, it's there. It's there. Hey, nah, these things are nice, eh? Nah. Actually, can I even say that? No, I can't. No, they grip very well. They stop very nicely. Yeah,